Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I help you build an impactful online business. In today's requested video, it's going to be a fun video. I'm going to show you how to create an Etsy video for your listings that you could display your similar or matching items to go with that particular listing. So if you want to see how simple it can be to create this video using my favorite graphic design tool, Canva, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, consider subscribing today. I do upload weekly videos. And also don't forget, guys, to hit that notification bell so you be the first one notified of any new videos I upload. So let's head over to my computer to get started. All right, so here we are on canva.com. I do have the paid version of Canva if it does look different for you. Keep in mind, you could try them out for 30 days for free. If you like to do so, I will leave my referral link right below this video as well as in the comments section. You guys could grab the link and sign up. I highly recommend Canva because you could do so many things with it. So once you are signed in into your account, what I did is I'm going to create a video for my Etsy listing where I'm showcasing other similar products, which is my other logos. Now, this video is really great for if you want to showcase matching items or if you want to showcase other products that are very similar to whatever they're looking at that current moment. And what I did was I did a screen recording of my screen of my floral logo. So these are all the logos that I currently sell. So I did a quick recording, 9-second recording of this page. I went to the second page and then I cut it off. It was very quick. Keep in mind when you're doing videos for your Etsy listing, they don't allow audio. I don't even think it uploads anyways if you do have audio by mistake, but they don't allow audio for some reason. So it's going to be a video without audio. Once you have your video that you created, all you're going to do is you're going to upload it to Canva, and you will go here where it says upload, and you want to make sure that your file is saved as an MP4. Now, the next step, once you have it uploaded and saved, you're going to go ahead and start creating the video. So I'm going to do 2000 by 2000. Etsy recommends 1080 pixel and higher. I always do 2000 by 2000. That's just the numbers that work really well for me. And the first one, I'm going to have like 2 templates that I'm going to be working with. The first one is going to say browse our collection of logos. The second one is going to have the video plain. So I'm going to change this to my branding color. So I'm going to use this pink. I'm going to add text. So I'm going to use this one here just so I could kind of move fast in this video. So I'm going to say browse, and I'm going to put on here our collection of logos. Now keep in mind, you guys could get as creative as you want. If you want to put like, let's say you want to put your logo here, like your main logo for your store, or you want to put anything else like your branding or your tagline, you could do that. I'm just doing like a quick video for the purpose of this video, right? But you could get as creative as you want. So I think this looks good. Browse our collection of logos. Boom. So that's done. Then this one, I'm going to change to the same color so it could be cohesive. And now I'm going to upload the video that I did, the one I was telling you about. So here's the video. It's already pre-made. It's 9 seconds long. It's right here. As you can see, I recorded the screen like I had mentioned to you guys. So you have the option when you upload the video, you have the option to like just use the video as is. So you could do something like this and kind of like make it bigger so people could actually see. And, you know, you could obviously cut off the bottom of your video if you have to, because it doesn't look as attractive. But you could do something like this, I guess, if you wanted to. And at least, you know, they could see it. So this is one option. The way that I'm going to do it, I think is going to look a little bit nicer or cleaner. I'm going to go to elements and I'm going to add this computer mockup. So if you want this computer, all you're going to do is go to frames and you're going to have all of these here. You have a tablet, a desktop and a computer, desktop and a computer, excuse me. So I'm going to use this one here and I'm going to make this or stretch it out as big as I can. That way it doesn't look too small for the person when they're browsing. All right, I think that's pretty decent. And then I'm going to drop my video right in there. So I'm going to drop the video right there. I think it looks better. I wish this was a little bit bigger, like the actual logos. But I think it's enough to kind of get the person to say, "Oh, they have more logos. Let me go look just in case I find something else that I prefer," right? So I think it does the job at least. And then from here, I think I love like providing like great customer service. I've been doing this on my other listings, trying to like add all these videos. And I've been doing this for my wedding store, adding matching items. I think it's gonna work really well next year. This year, my store tanked because of the pandemic, so hopefully next year will be a lot better. So here I'm gonna say, have questions. Please let us know, right? Why? Because I want the person to feel comfortable. I want them to know, hey, if you have any questions, you could just reach out to us and I will be more than happy to answer them. So I kind of like that. I always try to make it, not only user friendly, but I want the person to feel comfortable to be like, I like this logo. Let me message this person and see if they could change the color of the font or whatever, changes they want, saying that I'm able to do so, right? So I kind of like it there. I'm going to make sure it's in the middle. And then from here, it's already pretty good. I think it looks pretty good here. And then keep in mind, make sure you're not exceeding 15 seconds. If you are, you could just play with this number here, push this down, and the number will go down. For instance, if I go like this, the number went down to 11, so 11 seconds. So if for some reason it's a little bit longer than 15 seconds, you're able to adjust it. So I'm going to leave, oh, that's too much. That's 25 seconds. So I'm going to go down again, right there. Perfect. 15 seconds. So now all you're going to do is you're going to download this as an MP4. You're going to select both pages and you're just going to download it. It'll take a few seconds to download, especially depending on your computer. I know my computer is like, I need a new computer. I have too many files and too many things going on. I do want to say as a disclaimer, when you upload the video to Etsy, it won't show up right away and it takes a few minutes for some reason to play. That has happened to me. I even go to private window and the video's not there. What I did to kind of like speed up the process, I logged out of my account, logged back in, and it was working a lot quicker. So what I recommend is when you're doing these videos, just upload the video and go to your next listing, upload it, because this particular video here, I could upload for all 48 listings because to be quite honest, it's the same thing. I'm telling them, hey, you are similar products. So I don't necessarily have to create different videos. Now, you could create different videos for different listings, even if you're saying the same thing, just to test out and see if having different variations helps. There's no way to really track if that particular video versus this other video helped. But I do think that having different variations doesn't hurt either. You never know. So this is the video now. This is the one I did earlier today, but this is the video and it looks pretty good. So browse our collection of logos. And then after that, here is the collection of logos. So let's go ahead and play it. And it shows the collections. I think that looks pretty good. Another nice thing about this, once you create this video, you could upload it to Etsy as your Etsy listing video, but you could also upload it and use it on your Instagram account. You could use it on Facebook. You could even potentially use it for Pinterest if you wanted to. It's not optimized for Pinterest, but you could resize this here. If you have the Canva Pro, you could click resize and make it the size for Pinterest, the aspect ratio for Pinterest, or for your Instagram story as well. So you could reuse and repurpose this video for your social media platforms as well, which is really, really great. I do it all the time. So just keep that in mind. And then once you're happy, you would just go back to your listing. This is the one I did earlier today to just have it prepared because it does take a few minutes for it to work. But this is how it looks when people go to it. This is the actual main photo. And then this is the video that they will see. Keep in mind, it does take a few seconds for it to kind of play. And then eventually it does work. But this is how simple it is to create a video of your similar or your matching items for your Etsy store, for your Etsy listing. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to come up with more creative ways that you could create different variations of videos. So bear with me, but I will have some more. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video. It really does help me when you guys give me feedback And thank you so much for watching.